Are you kinky? Because if you are, you're going to want a pillow like this because it's going to get all the kinks out of your neck. Man, I've been sleeping on this pillow for way too long, and I wake up with headaches and migraines and kinked necks all the time. So I went and got me one of those cervical healthy pillows. I've had these before, and they work, and I was like, I need to get back into these style of pillows. Now, when you crack this open, which we're gonna do here in a second. Yes, I love it when I see videos with these things, vacuum packed stuff, and they just expand. It's gonna be another 3 to 5 days before it actually matures and it becomes the pillow that you want and that you need and that you're gonna end up loving. So I guess I gotta go another 3 to 5 days with this thing before I can use this thing. All right, and just like with any vacuum sealed, you're gonna need to wait a little bit to fluff it up, and this is definitely fluffed up. The thing that I'm gonna tell you right now is that this contour is smooth. And you can see, maybe you can see that on camera, but you got a little bit of contour here, you got some contour here, and you got some contour here and here. So whether you're a side sleeper, a back sleeper, a belly sleeper, it's gonna contour to your neck, and it's gonna give you a therapeutic sleep that we miss a lot when we sleep on these crappy things. Get that out of here. And I'm way comfortable sleeping on my side, which I do. I'm a side sleeper personally. Or if you're a back sleeper, it's going to contour to your neck here, or on the stomach. And I'm not a stomach sleeper or a tummy talker, but it's still there if you're like, oh, actually, maybe I'm gonna be a tummy sleeper. That's comfy. So if you want to stop the kinks, wake up refreshed, ready for the day, whatever it brings you. I think we spend most of our life in our bed, so why not get a pillow that just fits you?